and then now what you pepe Anna of Penyah Archbishop Nicholas Duncan Williams ebe kan say you won paye enfa to galam say ase e ma dan sem no amanfo betwa na no ene Sunday also for say abaye aso no chire mu say now no GoldBod start ebo boka na ehun fi bi ene pese GoldBod eboka eti ye mon paye e ma GoldBod na e kana GoldBod ebo bo no na sofu Kumchacha so ne Ghana ha single mothers nyina benya banta onzo be kana adwen akere mema na aje se mo pese mo fa single mothers etu mo ho so ehwe wo mu no Kumchacha abege kana adwen akere sa mema no ama one single mothers nyina abenya banta mere mo hanom as mo host Penyah medwedwamu no akere wadwen de ama me e wo comment section ahi Penyah block video mesro say dey kwa so obe mi subscribe button so adawro ma obe turn notification on for latest update abakere wadwen e de ama me obaso anu awo so amonias enya bi ahwe ne mekanfo NGX limited ene de amount omu tunsuo botan kro bedwabo mu akotunsuo e de amount omu etu swimming pool eka ho ye be start etu amena no aye bibia to its completion kama na ade be fa plumbing hu bia de for NGX limited omu say solar panel installation and power plant installation do so say cost we no ufie business be say business ke say business ke to schools hotels guest house restaurant pub be bia be so solar panel anasa ode power plant eba ho no ma fla NGX omu number no enegusu no Ghana ha ba bia obetimi aba abedu udwuma no ede ama omu bo so de eda from pomo no bo ewo from pay obeka se Penyah ekaye. Let's go to the story. Enche bia ana IMF ede report eba ye sem de hu Ghana sikasem esi call for the year 2025 no omu de hu data eba ne ko hwe na se Ghana ne aboka eka de ebo bebrebe but eka je se Ghana for be interested in GDP for eka domestic good purchasing program na say Ghana iguso ayeye no anyina say ye ma Bank of Ghana to gold eboa abia no na keep to a reserve na yakoton bi so e de abewura ye forex market for so that dollar no ahode be kof na cedi no abenya ahode ne over the dollar eti Bank of Ghana say adwuma de say Ghana ha no so no kuba ten de gold bibia hye ne nsa GoldBod say omu enduto gold omu me say yes omu na ebe determine the quality of the gold and its monetary value omu be issue licenses to gold buyers person we to gold any other there you know omu be issue licenses at the amount and Ghana ha bia no all the small scale miners no mu gold munya bia Ghana ha bia no GoldBod nko a na e ma no tumi kata so on to gold so yi omu operating large scale mining in free mu a GoldBod na eto saa for nyina omo gold edema wo mu galamsey fo nyina hye mu bi ko galamsey gold nyina GoldBod na eto you can't deny the fact because money kubaten a ye de ahye mo say mon to gold ana galamsey fo say adwuma so egusu ekoso omo so koso eton omo gold is omo to say automatically no GoldBod na eto even galamsey fo no omo gold nyina e kan say Ghana bia gold bia de e da omo bam into that DGPP na Bank of Ghana run no or the Jumade share GoldBod that's a GoldBod and ensham to gold in emano it Bank of Ghana e discover GoldBod season no ABR or discover GoldBod not GoldBod akoto to gold no e the abre Bank of Ghana but ye hey activities are no Bank of Ghana eboka through the DGPP no just a sika na de ma GoldBod to gold e de ba na ye keep bi na ye akoton bi no ye keke bi bia bomu a ye boka to the sum of $1.7 billion. Ama because all the Ghana is coming, it is about 20 billion new Ghana. So look is getting about 200 trillion. What is getting a car Ghana, a boy, Bank of Ghana, a boy through GoldBod operation. Your boka 200 trillion old Ghana says, yes, Kuma. My dear bed, I Ghana had more. Am I Ghana for be air transfer and I'm so Emma some visit Bedina Ebedina. Some fear challenge IMF. I will try to say IMF for all my propaganda. Just now Ghana for more emerge bosiani biom and I say IMF efa kwamboni biaso ama Ghana enya bad image so that we will come to them for just say some dem fit be useful strategy be trying to convince Ghanaians say GoldBod as a Bank of Ghana e more ka na ye IMF for na efremi bibi de ba hey I go say you were smart you feel so smart just all the share Ghana ni bia tribu say GoldBod at the Bank of Ghana more cow through gold purchasing mumoka. Na IMF na omu who say Ghana ye majibu sia be muntino ombeso mu create some yi bi de to Ghana so say IMF propaganda against Ghana. Na Ghana both answer na kwa ye 3 billion pen eno ntina IMF propaganda against Ghana say na America for come moje trillions of dollars kwa rumunye propaganda against them na Ghana. Sabi je fi. Let's say similar be the ja na last week ni mo ana so panyini ebe jana so gas ye mo mpaye enfa tu galam se ase ama no kra no mi jana so enipa ne bi dia bufo ba no osofo ye mo mpaye say ana mo bibia nyame say e mo yo osofo but enye bibia na nyame say because there was a time mo catch a go for on declare ban temporary ban on galamsey activities ana so panyini ka ho bie e den na say no wa na waka so bi declare ban no ene no foforo ba ya o se mo mpaye de ye bo mpaye tire nyame say nyame entoja ene me shigaram say fuo no ana nyame nya dey sofo hu dia wo keka ema bi mo e dey attack e ba sofo so pa babu say next Sunday sofo be ya asore na be ka say no tire say now no o he GoldBod e wo botai papa e dey boa Ghana but on fi bi on boni bi she be operate against GoldBod ala say etie mom pa ye ma GoldBod na kada GoldBod asate bo bo the kada so etie mom pa ye em support to GoldBod.
The illegal miners is like a cartel, a very powerful force to reckon with. And many years ago, I was somewhere in the Middle East. I won't mention the exact country, and I have the privilege of meeting some very powerful people from the family, the ruling family. And whilst talking, it came out that a lot of gold, illegal gold, had come into their country, and they had registered it, registered it, and that the illegal gold that they received was more than all the legal gold that Ghana was able to register. But the illegal ones was even more than what the Ghana government then sold to them. And the Ghana government had no trace or idea of this illegal gold. It was so much money. And after some years, when the GoldBod was set up, they couldn't buy the gold anymore illegally. So somebody contacted me. If I knew somebody at the GoldBod I could talk to so they can purchase the gold. And the volumes of money they were talking about was no joke. And all that money was going to the illegal gold miners until the board was set up to stop that and to help to regulate it. And somebody was telling me about certain places in Ghana where you go in the forest and they have a clinic, a supermarket, and they have filling stations and a whole city and armed people in Ghana here in the forest. And it's controlled by illegal miners, and some of them are foreigners. That we need to pray for the GoldBod. And I'll tell you why. With what I was told by this sheikh and the calls I had that they can't get the gold like before illegally, so they want some channels to the GoldBod so they can purchase the gold now from the GoldBod. It's clear to me that the GoldBod is dealing with a very powerful movement. People very, very established who knows and understand the field and how to do this and don't want the right thing to be done. And in the name of politics, we are destroying the future of our children and our grandchildren. So I'm going to dedicate a lot of time today for us to intercede for our nation, because I'm concerned about some things, and I am not speaking as a prophet, as much as some may be prophetic. I am speaking as a student of prophecy and a student of history. I take time to study history a lot, and some things are bothering me, and one of them is how we are managing the future of our children and our grandchildren. when it comes to our water bodies, when it comes to the land that produce crop and the food we eat. We are poisoning the land. There are so many things we are doing. If you look at the way we are running our society as a country, a nation, the future is in trouble. And I'll indulge you to allow me speak to you for some few minutes, and let's spend quality time interceding. I don't normally do this, interceding for country. This is very, very important, because this illegal mining thing, I just remembered yesterday the sheikh and what they were telling me, that the amount of illegal gold that they bought, and they had records of it, but Ghana didn't have a record of it. The one Ghana have a record of was what the government sold, but the one Ghana didn't have a record of was more than what Ghana sold to them. And they have all the record and we don't. So for whatever reason, it looks like the rules and the laws are not working, because if anybody tries to make it work and enforce the law, we turn everything to politics. And if you don't do what I want, next time I won't vote for you. And so because people don't want to lose their seat in parliament, or they don't want their party to lose, they give in and allow lawlessness to continue. Lift up your hands, say, Heavenly Father.
I want to go to life, no. It's so spiritual. I said, someone tells us also for say life. It's spiritual, and yet they want to who the physical there be. And yes, spirit, physical can go by the mocker. Life is spiritual, you know. Obi with my baby, orchestrating your mother, ATM for Bibian Empire, your mom pie, Emma GoldBod, Tiway, any somewhere. Also, Penyah, Bababeka, and next Sunday, Abana or Yas. Now, was ya Prophet Kumchacha, so Abekasa. Also, Ghana had no one now, no. Sir, offer Ghana for man, or more fear no, will be 18 years and above, choir. So offer a 100 age in a home, about 60 of them, Omunina single mothers. Yes, Omunina awo, Abra and Kodano, Ewo Muha Omuna Tetem Kodano. About 60% of them, meme research amaya, meeting money baby. Do na, they are single mothers. Be one who fair, obey me bedding to be quite trino. Now, oh, Babako, a boom, you know, a boom, yes, but to Pia Koraden canon, because on my memory, Koranu fee. Na omo eso enya omo freedom obutimi pia wontre ko pub nyina ebi mo single mothers mi e night club nyina ni ade ko juomani life to go on what I say e mo so single mothers here e mema ni bi e pesafo no, because most of them no say omo nyemo a nes omo sa wo foforo a e ya mema na omo no mu ye no e mema ni di wo mani e mema ni mo e yo mani ma wo mu e ma e ma ne fati team e bre. And in that situation, no, man, any better because that time maybe ana only be maybe ten and can be my best of one fana dream my bear man. And what not come man, or yo for no, I know about you mono. And it's about sana so share be maybe as a bear man no, a best for shena. And ya on money that honomo. It memory born mo omope those single mothers nibi. Aye, a bimo pepa, a bimo per single mothers go to sing mother there. Oh, my man, pressure. Oh, my man, pressure. And I only said the whole go to say. When ya be maybe a bearman ever share or no any the ba any amano. It is within quasem, na be man called there anyway woo. It sing most of the single mothers no. And my money be any jum who pay. And almost a warfare pa Massa, sing mothers no room here, and nothing mothers my one day, almost is a first no, there be and a single mothers no, or who we are, killer. Body of Munya near home for Munya a sinecure. Omuho mo so ye pa omo tete first na no bi wana wa tantanta debi and na single mothers no kwa ho first ne omo wo ye no bebrebe kwa omo ho first ne omo wo ye no bebrebe kwa na you know said am no kan say emema ni bi energy sa for man ho sa man ho no eno na prophet Kumchacha abeka so say so ye be ma pa na say woni je single mother ho so be so single mother na trouble bra say uni mu nyansa jimi a wajiwie de ado wa she prophet abeka sa we ni say wo kai
oba okutaba sebako mienu miensa kopem nan se oba bi nese wawo a wo ye be ma be consider sa ban so be ware na na
medasen a wo consider no kwan ben so
dab se bia wo si oba
mate wase
later ko so ba no wo ma
owo ma miensa enan that young guy I was so consider no all footballer yeah footballer Manchester any Chelsea for footballer Yeah, you're starting 0-0 and now you're starting 3-0.
You're starting 0-0.
Thank you. Then I remember to wait. That prophet Kumchacha me who oba na me kwale na no wo mami ensa enen. That fe na me be start my brabo. That me say me kwale oba wa wo me ensa enen. Sabi be ma bia wo be wale oba a wa wo me ensa ne enen ne enum ko bia no. Na dwen wo fom.
I don't know cause
that be na dwen wo fom.
Na from
na oba ne de ono oba ne beti are be ma owo ma.
Man no see na member also.
That be na dwen wo fom. I say me wo ma bia enen. Na ebia osofu Kumchacha me hia me nua ben. Na wono so wo ema be ye me ensa enen. Na ye kwale ya. Enu de wo bia wo bi. Eni ye de ba ne ye di bom enye program. But say bia mesi su young guy. Na me ye adwuma wa Sempa FM. Na boso me yetua me 2000. Na me hia wo ba a wo 4-5. Na me say young guy. Prophet Kumchacha me kwale no. Sabe me nkoye nkwase adwuma sa. Sa de na ye nkwase adwuma.
Before assembly am ka say. Se wo do ba, wo do no nyanyam wani na.
Oh masa. Ewiase e bae no. Obi a koton paboa or ne size. Eso who say me size 8, 9. En kwose de yeso chen. Da wo de bafie anti na koton paboa susu ho. Da de bafie wie na be kasa na eso chen me
Dabi sa oba wa wo no. Na oba na wa wo no na si oba. Oba no. Oba na wo miensa enan. Ne so de oba na ba fie se me papa Kumchacha. Me yiri ni e ba oba no kuta ma miensa. E no be.
Me papa nani so. Dabi me papa nesu me papa nani so left and right. What you say? Some me young guy I was this one 23, 24, 25. Da ko wale oba. That's oba wa wo enan enum. Dabio, me say nothing. I done how.
Dabio, we are Yaminipa.
Me case me in Yamia doing.
We are Yaminipa. And today, a man of my own, and so many Wariana, Kumchacha.
There be any sa. Or baby, I will me and nine numa. Or no subenya bema, wow me and son and nine enum.
Okay.
What I say? By some me to one up or so for Kumchacha, my won, you me and son, me and son, because you are about wow me and some see in your program. By some Mrs. Supana me call Walla now about enum and nine. Number other bunch in your juma.
What if
Dr. Pounds class you can
Debbie other man in your jumana. Media Debbie
about a mammy and son.
Our dear Mono.
Somehow get him in charge. Titi, so Casse. So always say, oh, me and Santi. Or a day.
And you are me and son. Wawumi and son.
No one will be that.
Sa memma what ye minia senior memma
la we senior
me pacho me da say senior
ba me ntwe ma wo me di ma ko tintin
ana me say memma wo me ensa na wo no wo me ensa ne ye di bebo mu a
na ye nsia nya hwe
program
ba wa wo me ensa
ba se wa wo me ensa enan enum me hu bi na me ye
de na chese wo ka ho
o se adan na chele
se wo ho kra ho
ye du da ma na wo be hu se
me se du de na se ko fo wo dem so bi hu ni ho
no
wo be wo dem so hu ni
me ba
na wo be so na hu ni
me ba de Dr. Pounds come metnasi e wo fa baby say
sade
wo be ma na wo hu da no betumi aba se
wo ka wo ye impotent
wo ba ko wa yo ba
na wo ka wo tu yin no wo nya fata
Dabi sometimes scrap no obetimi like we are fertile but uni who low sperm count
that one low sperm count wa da na yan ko hospital my doctor mo wayen
also for take kanu tip also into wo patch say obi o wa sorry dem oyoba wa wo mensa wa kofa be ma ba be ma ne wo da wo be sha wa so ara wo nshia
wa wo me
na wo mensa ko wa sorry
me kasa wedding kura me no me ntuma soli ba bi afo so onye wedding
ba wo ntufo ba onu so be ye
ba wo be ye dia me ni program
ba wo be sha so
me so wa wo me ensa enan enu de ye wo da wo
pe be sha wa re so
enu no wo na eje me na me wo eye wo na pa wo se di sha so am sha so am
thank you
say be wajibiti yes na wa say nti no me sha so am hey Dr. Bonso you want say ebi aso na ba ko akeke
Emma omo ye unique oba be to me 5 be mo wo da no abrabom be bo no obi mu kra wo abom kra emfa
me so bra Facebook no so
na me ebi me kwawale da no na guy bi ni mi di nkomo na sofo wo se wo tu kwan akoba bi na obi ne ne yela akoye sex ni ade se ni ade o complain na me ka den se na dwen wo fom enda ba bi ewi ase edu no be ma bi awo wale ya fa code eto yele twa so
be ma wo wale ya me pa code ni e code ben
that be ye ni sunsu ba de fa to so oni be ma bi akoye sex ya enkam
da bi o me ba into sa code nu ye bi
me ye bi
we code ni bi
ma ye bi
enti me get master for code to so
me di back to so straight
number ben on the mama code
that be code do not ye spiritual things me ye me de be mo oba no wuto kwan a na woni be ma bi ate se Dr. Pounds ekoye mpam adwuma enkam enkodu tama me fura buru kira ba
you are
me
efurade ana
da efurade say be ma bia wo fa wo be yele awo ni wo be yele da bia du aboda ne so
se bi o Bible na ifa no ka say so for code ko to obi ni twa so
Bible he fan so na kire say sa me wale a oba ma ye no ho de no be ma foforo de me da me patcho me ba oh me ba da bi o ba kase bi a o de me ba mami 1 minute mini abe so can Leviticus 18:20 a Bible say wona wonyon koyele na memfa wo hunsuo ma no na ayesa wo de igu hunfi wo de igu hunfi eto obi one wo be yili da bia no me ye da no so ana se wo yele efri wachi no ni be ma foforo koda wo de fikam edifikan koda no edifikan usika asem no wadwuma no bibia eti be ma bia ene ema aba no kasi aba na so petrol na Nigeria fo ye ba eti ene ema aba no bebre ni suban eti so kwale na se wo tu kwan akoba bia burochile Ghana hakora na awa na se wo pese wo ba no tie wo pese wo protect no na won fafi meka wa fa code eto na 7 na
so wonje wo yiri ndi
that dey me amejimi wudi na mabeju wadi edi asem na
be ma honjo bandi no be sade
that be masa
ani Bible mu twa sesa
na wi ase gidie wo wi ase ne gidie wo ma me pa kora ye nyini ni
pa me ni also for Kumchacha nyaadwen
na adwen kila de that don't you enso hwen and so me hwen
but me no won nyaadwen the chair say oba wawo for it could be a lot of things say you can say maybe nkola ni nyina so no bia papa dia eno de me no won nyaadwen but say papa baako ebetimi aba ne say maybe bibi na siye e na be ma na ka baby nti say wo ka say wo nhira so ma wo ba is an error for the man of
no Canada unim ade baako so um say me say abanoma me ba otumi tetem zambesam ni nche botom no bi ba
oh but no men are very selfish
ya wade bi owa
bishop
that be o ma me wie na ka sister so to ane de so amepe ma me wie me point me awi ase no me se me nyimi hu ni ana maji obi yedi I say oba woni na wale da ana wo de me nyusu ni say oba oni be ma bi awale da no one ne wo ma me yenu me ensa no oni na jai na wakọ wale wo ba no na osem me kwaji nkola school fees aba oboa akwa wo bedi no straight
oh debi
dabi oh me say odi a man 100 gina wa emu 99.999 ene ye bedi won me kwaji school fees aba na osemi me wale wa
na se sa ba ma kunu ni kunu
ya dabi me wale wa oba kura de be ma wale wa o x delete the number oba mama we point no o wale wo ba na me x number e da so woni phone so a se wo ba no e suspect
ne x
me ba o
se wo ba no
se oni nipa no wo ba I dey akwa na hwe be ma na hwe ma it's I don't know delete the number
that's oni ni ba so e
oh ane di
that be me be say oni ni ba so e ana number 2 ya wo ba bia enkoda ni benyi edu a e bia enkoda ni bi 14 15 16 ekọ to form enkoda no o kase bi woni enkoda ni nkasa edu kwan se sabe ono kasa
woni be ma je a onye wotamfo
when you were done for the good one,
who deleted the number for
me? Number one before so yaday. That be a woman before so yaday. Yes, Shrema, and a church, and no more ever. But there might be one to turn you. Yes, I should be a woman. Yes, be a church. And you met out the by Massa, and you met out the by Cosampo for you. And I'm a dear twin. Ati, men no wale, men no watch him. Ye jai, ye we, that one number, I won't be phone so yaday. That may for a while yaday.
Now, Professor Samuel, there was only Ghana single mothers in your name, so. Oh no, when you name your beef. Should I watch you about a conversation? I open your block media. I grab.